Hey and welcome to this tutorial. In a few of my upcoming videos, I'm going to continue going over some of the tools I use in my day-to-day modeling and how to use them effectively to achieve good results fast. Today, we're going to be going over the Target Weld Tool, which can be found in the Mesh Tools menu. The Target Weld Tool lets you merge one vertex or edge with another vertex or edge. It's a tool that I use all the time and it's got a bunch of super helpful use cases. Before we get started, if you like my content and find it helpful, please consider hitting those like and subscribe buttons. Also, if you want to chat with me, be sure to check out my Patreon and Discord server. But without further ado, let's get on with the tutorial. You can access this tool from the menu up here, or by using marking menus. When an object is selected, shift and right click and select Target Weld Tool. In vertex mode, shift, right click and then select Merge Vertices, Target Weld Tool. And finally, in edge mode, shift, right click, and then select Merge/Collapse Edges, Target Weld Tool. Just hopping back into vertex mode, click and drag a vertex to make a connection with another one, and then all you have to do is just release to merge them. You can make a selection of multiple components such as edges, or in this example, vertices, and merge them to another single point. Another thing which is super useful is merging to the center. If merge to center is on, a green dot is drawn on the orange line to indicate the center point. Okay, so I think I'm done messing up this torus, so I'm just going to go ahead and hide it. And just unhide these cubes. An example of when you might want to use this tool is, for example, when you have two objects which you want to create a topological connection between. So my desire in this case is to merge each of these vertices from this mesh into the other mesh. But to do so, note that these need to be combined to work. So go ahead and select both of these cubes, shift and right click and then go down to combine. Now in vertex mode, hold shift and then the right click and select Merge Vertices, Target Weld Tool. Now, as we connect these up, just make sure the line is pointing in the direction, making the connection you were expecting. So this is looking correct. Merge to center is toggled on, so we're going to create a connection nicely in the middle, which is what we want. I'll just go ahead and do it for the rest. As you can hopefully see, this tool gives you way more control than just the regular Merge Vertices tool. The regular Merge tool has its use cases, but often I find I'm using the Target Weld tool more frequently than not. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider hitting those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.